If you're looking to buy GoDaddy hosting, this video will walk you through the full process step by step so you can choose a plan, complete checkout, and get your hosting set up without confusion. We'll go through everything in a simple way, whether you're buying hosting for a new website, a blog, a business, or an online project. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the GoDaddy website. If you already have an account, sign in with your email and password. If you don't have one yet, you can create an account during the checkout process, but signing in first usually makes the whole process faster and smoother. Once you're logged in, look for the main menu at the top of the page. From there, click on Hosting, then choose Web Hosting. This will take you to the Hosting Plans page where GoDaddy shows the available options. This is the part where you want to take your time, because the plan you choose should match the size and needs of your website. You'll usually see plans like Starter, Economy, Deluxe, and Ultimate. If you're just getting started and only need one website, a basic plan may be enough. If you want to host multiple websites or need more resources, then one of the higher tier plans might make more sense. Take a moment to review the features, storage, and pricing so you know exactly what you're getting before you buy. After you decide which hosting plan works best for you, click Buy Now. That will add the plan to your cart and move you to the next step. Now you'll be asked to choose the duration for your hosting purchase. Usually longer billing periods can sometimes offer better overall value, but the right choice depends on your budget and how long you want to commit right away. Once you've selected your duration, click Continue to Cart. At this point, GoDaddy will show you a summary of your order. This is an important checkpoint because you want to make sure the plan, duration, and pricing all look correct before you finalize anything. Check the order summary carefully and review any extra items that may have been added to your cart. When everything looks good, click Ready for Checkout. You'll then move into the payment section, where you can choose your preferred payment method. GoDaddy usually gives you a few different payment options, so select the one you want to use and enter your billing details carefully. Make sure your name, card information, and billing address are accurate, so the purchase goes through without issues. After that, complete the checkout process and confirm your order. Once the payment is processed, your GoDaddy hosting purchase will be completed and your account will be ready for the next setup steps. From there, you can start connecting your domain, installing WordPress, or building your website, depending on your goal. So that's how to buy GoDaddy hosting from start to finish. It's really just a matter of signing in, going to Hosting, choosing Web Hosting, selecting the right plan, and completing checkout. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.